Okay, so hello students, very good afternoon everyone. As you know, I'm your science teacher and here I'm just going to take a class of class 7th. Okay, so students, in a class 7th, yesterday I have started your chapter 13, and what is the name of chapter 13? The name of chapter 13 is electric current and its effect. Okay, so yesterday I told you what is a electricity and what is the electric circuit. Okay, so I also told you the electric circuit is a path through which it is an unbroken path through which the electricity can flow easily. Okay, today in this video I'm just going to discuss about the electric circuit. Okay, electric circuit diagram. Circuit diagram. Okay, so I have made here the one electric circuit. This one is a closed path. As I told you what is the definition of electric circuit yesterday, that is, this one is a one electric circuit, a complete electric circuit. Clear? So I told you this is an unbroken path through which the electricity can flow easily. Okay, so this electric circuit is made up of these components. So here I am telling you what are the component of electric circuit through which the electric circuit is made up of. Okay, so now the first component is one, that is a cell. Okay, so what is the structure of a cell? Here you have watching here, that is a positive terminal of the cell and this is a negative terminal of the cell. Okay, so if you want to make the circuit diagram, so you have to add their cell also. So what are the functions of these cell battery? I will tell you. Firstly, you have to, in this video you have to only know what is the structure of these components and how you have to join. Clear? So this one is the negative terminal of the cell, and that is a positive terminal of a cell. If you want to make a diagram of a cell in a circuit, so you have to make like this. The big terminal, that is a positive, and the negative terminal is a small, in the form of a circuit diagram. Okay, if you are talking about the battery, so battery is long, a big terminal is a negative and small terminal is a positive part. Okay, now after the cell, the second part of the circuit is a battery. When you join the more than two cells together, okay, then this will be form the battery. Okay, this is used for the high electricity flowing. And then here you see watching here, that is a negative terminal, that is a positive terminal. So always the different opposite charge will be joined. So positive terminal attached with the negative terminal of the next cell, always you have to remember. And if you want to make the diagram of this battery, so you have to make the diagram like this. Here the positive terminal and negative terminal, here the joining you have to denote it. Now the third component, that is the switch. In your book, the switch is also made up, it is also given the on and off form. Here I have made only the switch, and this switch in the circuit, that is denoted by this circuit diagram. This is the opening of the switch, as in your page number 181 you see. Okay, so opening and closing both switches is given. And what is the diagram in a circuit of the switches? So that is the open form of the switch in a circuit diagram. Okay, so don't forget. And that is the closed form. Okay, that is a closed form of the switch, always remember. So if you make the switch is given in your circuit diagram, so you have to make open in the form of a open like this and in the form of a close like this. Now after the switch, the fourth part, that is a bulb. Okay, so bulb is glow. Then when electricity is flowing, then bulb is glow. So also in a page number 81, the bulb is given in the form of a closed and open. So here I have made only the bulb, and you have to make this in a circuit diagram. So this is the on form of a bulb and this is the off form of a bulb. So you have to make the circuit. If the bulb is given, you are using for the generating electricity to open the bulb, then you have to make this diagram. And in off condition, that is, it means you can say that when electricity is flowing, then the bulb is on and you have to make diagram like this. When electricity is closed, circuit is open, then switch is on, the bulb is off. Okay, now last one is a wire through which these all parts are connected together. That is a wire covering with the insulator. this wire, you have to make the diagram in a wire, so you have to use this type of a line. Okay, so here I am telling you students, this is a very important. Always remember, this is not only important in your this class, but also the further today ahead classes, like a 10th classes, like a 12th classes. Okay, so this is a very simple diagram. You have to practice about these components, then we will know from tomorrow's class what are the functions of these parts of the circuit. Okay, and I also it is not given very widely in your class, only a few details is given, and then after we will read the heating effect of electric current, which is important of this chapter. Okay, so this is all about of my today's class, and this is the ending of my today's class. If you have any query, you can ask in my live class. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.